this is Dr. Matthew Durham from Abbeville Family Health Care. To see if we can help you with your health concern, call us at 366-7777 for a free consultation. Okay, for today's frequently asked question, we're going to tackle the question, do I have to get my neck or back popped? And I'm happy to report to you that the answer is no, you don't. We use a very high-tech, scientifically designed adjusting instrument to do the adjustments with. And it is very specific in where we can place it, and it's very specific in the amount of force that we can put into the joints to get them moving properly and get rid of your pain. I am going to show you our instrument that we use here. It's called the Impulse, and there's a little trigger on it. Looks like a little gun here, but this is the part that we put on your spine or other joint to do the adjustment with. And we find that it is even more effective than twisting, popping, cracking, all of those types of more heavy-handed manual adjustments. It is safer as far as the amount of force that we use. In an adjustment, there's speed and force, the two factors involved, and so these instruments, this instrument specifically, is over 100 times faster than you can move your hand. So we use a lot of speed and a little bit of force, whereas the other more manual type adjustments are a lot of force and a little bit of speed. So it's different ways of using the factors involved that ends up being a much more comfortable and a much safer and more effective way to adjust your spine and get rid of your pain. And thanks for watching our video today. If you have any questions, any health questions at all, feel free to contact us on our website at abbevillefamilyhealthcare.com, or just give us a call at 366-7777. And thanks for watching.